Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Nissan Armada in neutral with a dead battery. First, find the small shift lock release cover, usually near the gear selector. Gently pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver. Once the cover is off, you'll see a button or a slot. Press this button firmly to release the shift lock mechanism, allowing you to move the gear selector. With the shift lock release pressed, you can now move the gear selector. Carefully slide it into the neutral position. It's crucial to ensure your Armada is on a level surface before you release the shift lock, as the vehicle will be free to roll. Immediately engage the parking brake once it's in neutral to prevent any unintended movement and ensure safety. Safety is paramount when performing this task. If you're on any kind of incline or uneven ground, always use wheel chocks to secure the vehicle before putting it into neutral. Never attempt this procedure if the vehicle is moving, as it could lead to a dangerous situation. If you feel unsure or uncomfortable at any point, it's always best to seek professional assistance. Once your Nissan Armada is safely in neutral and secured, it can be moved or towed as needed. After you've finished moving the vehicle, remember to shift the gear selector back into park to re-engage the parking pawl. This ensures the vehicle is properly secured. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.